Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Kia Optima EX, stock number E1831P. 45,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, bright silver in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. Pulley tab on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This EX has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission, heated as well as cooled front seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with a side. Overhead, auto dimming mirror and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Optima has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 192 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Optima, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.